What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you how I do a twist out on my short 4C hair. As you know now, I have big chopped. This is big chop number 3 for me. Yeah, and I explained in my previous video, my first video of the year, why I decided to chop off all my hair. So you can check out that video. But yeah, so this is basically one of my go-to styles. I'm not very confident in wearing it in a wash and go setting because it's so short, and I kind of haven't found what I like as far as a styler product to just leave it as a wash and go other than gel. And even with the gel, I'm not like a huge fan of how it looks because it's so short. So I usually just typically go to my twist out. And to twist my hair now, it probably takes me maybe 30-35 minutes. So not very long at all, as opposed to if my hair was extremely long or much longer than it was, it would take me an hour to an hour and a half to twist it. And sometimes I ended up making a twist too small, which made it take longer in the process. So yeah, so I'm kind of pleased with the length of my hair. Again, it's now shorter, so I've gotten it cut twice. As far as like big chop number 3 is concerned, the first time I just got my hair from like down here chopped to like right here. And then I want to say that was in August, I believe. And then in December, I actually went ahead and had her cut layers in my hair. So again, taking off some more length. The front of my hair was a lot longer than the back. So yeah, that's how I was looking. So yeah. And like I said, if you want more details on that, you can go to my previous video, my first video of the year, where I talk about all the transitions that I've been going through and all that in that video. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So here I am. Here's the final look of my hair. We did it. It's done. Oh, cardboard. So yeah, like I said, I really love going to this hairstyle because it's convenient, it's fast, it looks good. I'm pleased with the length of it. So yeah, and like this is crazy because y'all know me, short hair is really not something I consider one of my favorites, but it's starting to grow on me and I like it. And like I said, it's easy to maintain because truth is, I don't want to spend that much time on my hair, period. So yeah, so this is how it's looking. Everything you need will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.